In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning blog using Wix platforms. Starting off, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. It's a straightforward process and they guide you through it with helpful prompts. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a new site. This feature is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click on it and you'll be well on your way to building something amazing. Next, you'll be asked to choose what kind of site you'd like to build. For a blog, you could either select the blog option or choose business plus blog if you're interested in integrating extra business features. This way, you can tailor your site more specifically to your needs. Once you've made your selection, hit continue to dashboard. This will take you to an overview of your site where you can start customizing. From the dashboard, click on Design Site. This step is all about aesthetics and functionality. You can explore numerous templates that Wix offers by clicking on Pick a Template. Choose one that best fits the style and purpose of your blog. After settling on a template, it's time to personalize your blog. Enter the Wix editor and locate the left-hand toolbar. Here, you'll find an option that says Add Apps. Click there and search for Wix Blog. This tool will automatically add a blog feed and post pages to your site, saving you a lot of groundwork. Customize your blog's layout by going into social sharing options. Here, you'll be able to modify the overall appearance, whether that involves changing fonts, colors, or even adding a sidebar for categories and recent posts. These adjustments will help your blog look cohesive and professionally done. Now let's dive into content. To create your first blog post, navigate to the blog section in your dashboard and click Create New Post. Use the rich text editor to input your content. You can include headings, paragraphs, images, and even videos or galleries. Add tags and categories to better organize your posts, and when you're ready, hit publish or save it as a draft if you need more time. Under each post, you can customize SEO settings. This includes the SEO title, meta description, and a custom URL slug. Making these tweaks can significantly boost your visibility in search engines. For an additional boost, consider enabling Wix SEO Wiz for step-by-step guidance. Before wrapping up, make sure to add essential pages like home, about, and contact to your site. Privacy policy and terms pages are also crucial for compliance reasons. After this is set, you're nearly done. Head back to your editor and click Publish in the top right corner. Your blog is now live and ready to be shared across social media platforms. Encourage your readers to subscribe to your blog by incorporating Wix Forms or a mailing list app. Finally, click Done, and there you have it. A fully functional Wix blog ready for the world to see. Enjoy sharing your creations with your audience.